दोस्तों इस क्लास में आपको डिक्टेशन दूंगा मैं 100 WPM पर 600 वर्ड्स की डिक्टेशन है, आपको डिक्टेशन में प्रोवाइड कर रहा हूं। बी रेडी फॉर इट। Although in some other writ petitions, counter affidavits have also been filed by state and authority. The writ petitions relating to different villages are separately grouped, and it shall be suffice to refer to the pleadings of the main writ petition as well as leading writ petitions of each village, along with pleadings of some other writ petitions which were referred to by different learned counsel during the course of hearing for deciding this bunch of writ petitions. The facts as brought on record in the main writ petition and the reference to the pleadings in the said writ petition are sufficient to comprehend and decide the various issues which have arisen between the parties in these writ petitions. Hence, facts of the case of the main writ petition and pleadings therein shall be noted in some detail. Writ petition number 37443 of 2011, Gajaraj and others versus State of Uttar Pradesh and others, have been filed by 27 writ petitioners who claim transferable right and owner of different plots of land situated in village of district Gautam Budh Nagar. The notification dated 12/3/2008 was issued by the state government under section 4(1) of the Land Acquisition Act 1894, notifying that the land mentioned in the schedule is needed for the public purpose, namely for the planned industrial development in Gautam Budh Nagar through Greater Noida Industrial Development Authority. The petitioners plead in the writ petition that dispensation of the inquiry under section 5A can only be an exception where the urgency cannot brook any delay. The respondents, without application of mind, dispensed the inquiry. The acquisition proceedings have been termed as void, unconstitutional, tainted with malafide, abuse of authority, power and non-application of mind. The provisions under section 5A is mandatory and embodied a just and wholesome principle that a person whose property is being or intended to be acquired should have occasion to persuade the authorities that his property be not touched for acquisition. Land use of village Patwari was changed in the Master Plan 2021 after the notification under sections 4 and 6, which is colorable exercise of powers, and entire exercise is arbitrary, illegal and infringes rights of the petitioners guaranteed under Articles 14, 19 and 300A of the Constitution of India. The petitioners have stated in the writ petition that writ petition is being filed after knowledge that the land use of village Patwari was changed in the Master Plan 2021 after the notifications under sections 4 and 6. The petitioners further claimed that the part of the property of the petitioners is situate in village. It is pleaded that the authority has executed a lease deed dated 31/3/2010 in favor of respondent number 4, a company engaged in the construction allotting 2,40,000 square meters land for constructing multi-storied complexes. Reference of another writ petition number 28691 of 2011, Dinesh Kumar Garg and others versus State of UP and others was made by the petitioners, in which the same notification was under challenge, and this court has passed an order directing the parties to maintain status quo regarding possession. It has been stated that although land was acquired for industrial development, but the same has been allotted to the builders by the authority, which clearly indicates that neither there was any appropriate plan and scheme for industrial development, nor there was any urgency in the matter, and the whole proceeding was in colorable exercise of power. The state filed a detailed counter affidavit in the writ petition stating that after declaration under section 6, the possession of land was taken and about 87% of tenure holders have taken compensation. दोस्तों इसी के साथ डिक्टेशन फिनिश होती है। उम्मीद है आप लोगों ने इसे बहुत अच्छे से लिखा होगा। बहुत ही प्यारी डिक्टेशन है, जो नाम भी इसमें आए हैं, बिल्कुल एग्जाम ओरिएंटेड मैटर है। इसी तरीके से आपको अगर आपने ये मैटर्स अच्छे से कर लिए, मुझे लगता है आपको एग्जाम में कोई भी दिक्कत नहीं आने वाली। कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताइएगा डिक्टेशन आपको कैसी लगी और डिक्टेशन आपको चाहिए हाँ या ना, ये ज़रूर बताइएगा। और अपनी मिस्टेक्स भी मुझे बताइएगा कि कितनी मिस्टेक्स आपको आई हैं इस डिक्टेशन को लिखने में। आपसे मुलाकात करूँगा अगली क्लास में अगली ट्रांसक्रिप्शन के साथ। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर।